Hello, everyone. Welcome to the Newsbrowse News broadcast. South Korea's SK Hynix has achieved a market valuation of at least $1 trillion, propelled by the immense demand for semiconductors essential for artificial intelligence (AI) applications. The world's second-largest memory chip manufacturer reached this significant milestone this week, as investor confidence surged due to record-breaking revenues and profits driven by the AI boom. SK Hynix's stock price has seen an extraordinary increase of 240% since the beginning of the year, with an impressive surge of over 80% in the past month alone. This performance mirrors a broader AI-driven rally in the South Korean stock market, with the KOSPI index doubling its value in 2026. As of Friday, SK Hynix's market capitalization stood at 1.66 quadrillion won, 66 quadrillion. The company reported a five-fold year-on-year increase in operating profit for the first quarter of 2026, reaching 37.6 trillion won, 24.9 billion, with revenue tripling to 52.6 trillion won, 34.8 billion. SK Hynix now joins a select group of only 17 companies globally with a valuation exceeding $1 trillion, the majority of which are based in the United States. This achievement underscores the growing importance of AI technology in shaping the global economy. Al Jazeera. Go. My needy Tokyo's. May 29th, Japanese stocks closed significantly higher in Tokyo trading on Friday, with the benchmark Nikkei 225 average reaching an unprecedented closing high above 66,000 points. The index settled at 66,000 points. The index settled at 66,329.50, marking a gain of 1,636.38 points, or 2.52%, from the previous day. The broader Topix index also registered a record high, advancing 55.16 points, or 1.41%, to close at 3,957.17. Investor sentiment was bolstered by increasing speculation that the United States and Iran would agree to extend their ceasefire, which led to a fall in oil futures. This positive outlook encouraged widespread buying across various stocks. Artificial intelligence and semiconductor-related issues, in particular, saw substantial purchases, benefiting from the robust performance of U.S. technology stocks on Thursday. A major securities firm official noted that the Nikkei surge surpassed expectations, as investors bought aggressively to avoid missing out on the upward trend. The Shenzhou 22 crewed spaceship undocked from China's space station combination at 2:44 p.m. Beijing time on Friday, May 29, 2026, marking the beginning of the return mission for Shenzhou 21 astronauts Zhang Lu, Wu Fei, and Zhang Hongjiang. They are scheduled to land at the Dongfeng site in Inner Mongolia. Before undocking, the Shenzhou 21 crew completed essential tasks, including setting the space station's status, processing experimental data, transferring supplies, and conducting a handover with the Shenzhou 23 crew, who arrived on May 25. This return mission is significant as the Shenzhou 22 was launched on November 25, 2025, specifically to provide a returned vessel for the Shenzhou 21 crew. This arrangement became necessary after the Shenzhou 20 spaceship's return capsule window was damaged by space debris, leading to the Shenzhou 20 crew returning aboard the Shenzhou 21 spacecraft on November 14, 2025. People's Daily Online. A Cambodian provincial court has sentenced 6 Chinese nationals to life imprisonment for the torture and murder of a South Korean university student. According to a report by the Liberty Times, 22-year-old Park Min-ho from Gyeongsangbuk-do, South Korea, was lured to Cambodia by a Chinese telecom fraud group with promises of high salaries. He arrived in Cambodia on July 17, 2025, after which he was abducted and extorted by the criminal syndicate. Police intercepted a suspicious vehicle in Kampot Province's Bokor Mountain area on August 8, finding a male body, which was identified as the long-missing Park Min-ho. An extensive investigation led to the arrest of multiple Chinese suspects. Autopsy results showed Park suffered severe torture, with numerous bruises and visible wounds. Police raids on a villa in the Bokor Mountains confirmed it was a base for telecom fraud and a site where victims were illegally detained and abused. The court found the 6 defendants guilty of torture, cruel abuse, and murder, leading to the life sentences. South Korean stocks, represented by the benchmark Korea Composite Stock Price Index, KOSPI, surged to a fresh all-time high on Friday, according to Yonhap News Agency. The KOSPI advanced 3.55%, or 290.86 points, to close at 8,476.15, marking its first breach of the 8,000-point level earlier in the week. The rally was primarily fueled by robust gains in artificial intelligence, AI-related stocks, and renewed optimism, stemming from reports of a potential 60-day ceasefire extension in the Middle East and resumed nuclear talks between the United States and Iran. Investor sentiment for AI shares was particularly boosted by news of NVIDIA Corp. founder Jensen Huang's upcoming visit to South Korea. Major tech and auto companies like Samsung Electronics, SK Hynix, LG Electronics, Naver, Hyundai Motor, and Hyundai Mobis all saw significant gains. In contrast, the local currency depreciated against the US dollar, closing at 1,507.91. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.